We'll meet again tomorrow. Two little friends, sharing the same laughter, the same spirit. Every day brings them a new color, a new game to play. Sometimes they swing in the garden, where the wind carries their giggles all the way to the sky. At times they build a world of dolls, and just like that, a tiny room turns into a palace of dreams where everything feels possible. Then they ride off on their bicycles. The paths may be short or long, but when friends are together, even a journey becomes a story. The wind races with them, and joy follows behind like a shadow. And then the sun slowly hides behind the horizon. The two friends hug each other, gently, lovingly, and in a soft whisper, they say, "We'll meet again tomorrow." Because true friendship is a bond from heart to heart, the kind that makes every day beautiful and every moment truly special.